guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. I have a small money maker haul that I'm going to share with you all, and if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. The first deal I'll pick up is the spend 10 get 5 back on Nivea body wash, and I'm going to pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 each. These two will total $11.98, and I'm going to use the 5 off 2 digital coupon everybody received today. I also have a 3 off 10 Nivea CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $8 and I'll pay $3.98 and get 5 back, making both free and $1.02 money maker. The next deal I'm going to pick up will be on the Axe body wash. They are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2 you get $5 back, and it's priced at $6.29 each. I'll pick up 2. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $3.15 because of the buy one get one half off. The two will total $9.44. We all have a 5 off 2 coupon that we'll use with this deal. It will drop my total down to $4.44 and I'll get 5 back, making them free and 56 cents money maker. Let's go over my receipt and see how this transaction worked out. The 2 coupons came off and the 3 off 10 CRT also applied. I used $8 extra care box, paid 41 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got $5 back for the Axe body wash and also another $5 back for the Nivea body wash. And that made this transaction free and $1.58 money maker. The next deal I'm going to pick up is buy 2 get $2 back on 3-pack Irish Spring bar soap or the soft soap liquid hand soap. I'm going to pick up 1 of each and they are on sale for 2 for $6. I will use $1 off Irish Spring or soft soap digital coupon. I have 2 $1 off CRTs for the soft soap, and I also have a $2 off Irish Spring CRT and another $1 off Irish Spring CRT. The coupon and the 4 CRTs will take off $6, which is what I'm supposed to pay. I'll only pay tax for this transaction and I'll get $2 back, making both free and $2 money maker. This is my receipt for this transaction. The $1 coupon applied, all the CRTs also applied. I only paid tax for this transaction, got $2 back, making both free and $2 money maker. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.